Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do, if you are using Android phone, make sure you head over to your Play Store. So I'm going to click on Play Store right here. Play Store. Then have to open up your Play Store, click on Search, then click on Search App and Games, then type Google Chrome. Google Chrome. Then hit on Search. Then it's going to take you right here. Here, you need to make sure that you update the Chrome browser in order to have access to these new features right here. After you have successfully updated to the latest version, then you're going to see open right here. So what you need to do is to simply click on open, and it's going to load up into a new Chrome browse space right here. Now, for you to have access to the new feature, what you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing you need to do is to click on settings. Then here we go. This is the new features right here. Click on add address bar. Then you have two options right here. You can either try bottom address bar or top address bar. If I decide to switch to bottom address bar, let's check it out. Now my address bar is going to be at the bottom of the browser.